Power's off. We're going to bring it up to 30,000 volts. Watch the pith. I got to keep the camera kind of back because the high voltage tends to either reset the whole phone or it causes the video to stop recording through some kind of an induction effect there. So note the pith on the right, which is near the secondary, is being repelled, not attracted at all. Pith on the left doesn't appear to be doing much of anything yet. Let's crank it up, see if we can get it to dance. Look at that. So we increased the spray to a point where it's spraying all the positive everywhere. It's brought up to that same potential. Then when I reduce the positive potential on the left there, it causes that higher potential sitting on the pith to attract back to it until it touches and nulls it out again. This is about 180 watts input, and it's off the 40,000 volt scale over there. So the positive pith are being turbulently attracted, and the negative over there is being more vehemently repelled. And let's see if we can get a decent angle so you can see what's vertical, right? That's the offset, vertical. Now the positive over here is having a dancing day. Normal electrostatic effects, so looks like it's starting to affect my phone. I better back it up. Alright, let me crank it down. Interesting stuff, huh? Just electrostatic charge. It's pegged negative on one side and pegged positive on the other, with two positives squishing the open space between them. There's an insulative gap there that's open. 8.5 inches on the inside of the acrylic. The pith is just being connected to that metal rod you see there at the bottom, which is connected to the bottom plate. So it's being connected or attracted to only the one bottom plate. If I had another pith, I could put it up at the height, but I would also need another insulative support there. Anyway, interesting now, huh? So the question would be, if I put the negative to a ground rod and floated some AV plug types configurations inside the space where the positives are gapped, and then adjust the amplitude of the voltage, will I be able to set up an oscillation that induces a current flow that then sets up a draw against the ground currents, telluric currents as it were? I really don't know. It's something I'm thinking about anyway. There's got to be a way to tie it into the system and then tie it into the greater system, which is at a much, much lower potential on average. You figure your regular ground voltages are millivolts, you know, if not nanovolts. So you're pumping 50 to 80,000, 100,000, maybe even 120,000 volts offset, because I think with the squishing we'll probably get another 10,000 volts out of the system, which makes it a full wave 1.5 quadrupler, because it's only outputting 10,000 volts, but it's probably able to go up to 100, 120,000, which would be 60,000 volts per side. If it's a single supply, it normally puts out 50,000 volts, which is 10,000 volts more than expected usually. So anyway, there you have it. Electrostatics. Now how to draw on the electrostatics, probably at a very high frequency type function. Create a very fast step charging. I don't know. Gotta stew on it some more and get some more meters. I'm still waiting on the resistors to be able to try and install that 80,000 volt meter. That'll it doesn't seem enough now. Now I probably need like a 150,000 volt meter. Problems.